Alright, good morning folks. This is going to be a real short video. Some of the guys were talking about wanting traffic in their sceneries and planes moving around and stuff. And they didn't know if they had to buy a payware program like X-Life or World Traffic 3. Well, I've got X-Life and World Traffic 3, and my biggest complaint about them is they added a ton of traffic, but they affected my processor. They slowed me down a little bit, so I just went back to default. And some people wrote me and said, well, how do you get default traffic? Well, this is pretty simple. When you go into your menu for your airplanes, I'll open a photo here, you'll see, let me enlarge this. You see here at the top, it says AI aircraft. You can select up to 19. I found that was a bit much. I just selected 11, as you can see, and I found that's plenty. So when you click on that button right there, it'll open a menu like this. And when it opens this menu, you can add combat aircraft. I don't want that. And you see I've got all these 11 aircraft, 737s and 717s. And you can click random, and when you click random, these things change. But I don't like random because they keep adding 747s to regional airports. I can get away with 737s in regional airports, but I don't like 747s in regional exports. So I select the aircraft I want, and I uncheck the randomize. So these are the only aircraft that will show up. And you can just add another aircraft by clicking this add button, and another one will appear on the bottom of the list. And then you can edit it. When you click the edit button, it lets you select the aircraft you want for that slot. And it also, if you open up, like you see, I've got a A320 Air Canada, you can go through the menu, and it'll actually show you all the different liveries that you can select. So like here I've got Air New Zealand, a J and German Wings, Eastern, BMI. You can select the liveries that you want. So that's all you got to do. And I'm right now, I've got this pause. I'm sitting in Klagenfurt, which is a nice airport in Austria, nice medium-sized airport, and I'll just show you that I have all kinds of AI aircraft in it. So I'll unpause this, and I'll go to the exterior view. You can see I got one leaving right now. I still got, okay, there goes another one. I've got all kinds of artificial aircraft in here. Release my brakes. And follow that guy. I'm in my Alabeo Chieftain. This is by far one of my favorite aircraft. One day I was flying this airport, and I had about 4 planes lined up waiting to take off. I had about 3 planes on final approach. I had a couple planes taken off. So it was fantastic. It's just using the default artificial aircraft. Yeah, I think over here, if you look, I think we have one coming in now. Yeah, we got one on final. You see, you get all kinds of activity just using the default. And like I say, when I was in here the other evening, I had about 4 planes lined up coming in on final. Here's one taken off. See that guy coming in? Another one behind me. See what this guy is. See if he's a 737 or what it is. Like I say, I'm in Klagenfurt, Austria right at the moment. And I even get some general aviation in the mix too. Looks like a 737. Oh no, an MD-80. Like I say, we look around. Two in front of me, two behind me, a bunch parked over there. So, like I say, there's all kinds of traffic with the default setting. So I hope this helps some of you. I just wanted to show that to you so y'all see it works. Some people wondered if that AI thing actually works, but see it works. And that's it. Talk to you later. Bye.